Welcome back. We are going to simplify this complex fraction today. When you see complex fraction, those words are just talking about a fraction with a numerator that has another fraction in it and a denominator that has another fraction in it. To simplify this, our goal is to get fractions out of the numerator and the denominator. If we're left with one fraction at the end, that's fine, but we're not trying to like fraction inception here. So let's get started. Let's start with the numerator. We have 1 over t minus 1 over 1 times, what do we need to get t in the denominator? Well, we can multiply any number by 1 in the form of anything over itself. T over t is 1. X squared over x squared is 1. ABC over ABC is 1. And we can use this concept to manipulate numbers like this to make them look like terms next to them so we can start to use them in conjunction with each other. So 1 with a common denominator of t is really 1 times t, so t over t. This makes sense. This is really just what we were talking about. 1 is equivalent to t over t. Let's pretend that this was purple. Sorry. T. Great. And let's do something similar to get some fractions together in the denominator. Except this time I'll do it in pink. All right, so we have 1 over t to begin with again, except this time we are adding 1. Well, we just did this up here, right? We know that 1 is the same as t over t. The only difference between the numerator and the denominator is down here we are adding t over t, adding 1. Up here we are subtracting. Okay, from here, let's just take our time and combine these since we can with the least common denominator. 1 over t minus t over t is really the same as 1 minus t over the least common denominator, t, and that's our numerator. Our denominator, 1 plus t over the least common denominator of t. We are on our way. Anytime you have a whole fraction divided by a whole fraction, that's really the same exact numerator, 1 minus t over t times the reciprocal of the denominator. What do I mean by that? Instead of dividing, we're multiplying, and the reciprocal is just switching the denominator to the numerator and the numerator to the denominator. 1 plus t under t. This is really just one big fraction. 1 minus t times t all over t times 1 plus t. And at this point we can start to cancel. We have t in the denominator and t in the numerator. We are just looking at 1 minus t over 1 plus t. This is no longer a complex fraction. I don't really see another way that we can simplify from here. So you are looking at the answer. Do you have any questions about how we simplified this complex fraction into this fraction down here that is no longer complex? It no longer has smaller fractions within the numerator and the denominator. Leave those questions in the comment below. I'll do my best to answer your questions in more videos explaining that content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, text a link to somebody who you know has problems simplifying fractions or has questions that may be answered from this video. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications whenever I put out a new video like this. All right, thank you so much.